do I have to say to keep you by my side? How to start in a liquefy. Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay. Marry one, loving two.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yuyan. So today's video is going to be a little quarantine glow up. I was feeling super bummy, really just sluggish, and I wanted to just kind of do a little self-care kind of thing. I did some skincare, I did my makeup a little more than I usually would, and then I did my hair, I did my nails, and I'm so proud of this, I actually did my lash extensions. I feel like it is the perfect time to kind of just take care of yourself more than you usually do, just because we have extra time. And usually I love getting lash extensions, doing my nails, and all that good stuff. Thought I would just try to do it myself at home, give myself a little bit of a quarantine glow up. So if you are interested in everything that I did, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so I am actually going to take a shower first. My hair is so gross. I haven't washed it in 5 days, I think, and it is just so oily. Do you see how oily it is? It's so bad. And I'm just gonna use my usual shampoo, YUYANXO Television Perfect Hair Shampoo, and I am going to do a hair mask to kind of just make my ends feel better. This is what I love using when I do a hair mask. It is the Nexus Protein Complex, and it just comes in these little packages, which is really helpful because then I can just use one. So yeah, okay, let's start this little glow up over here. Feel so much better after a shower. I finally washed my hair nice and clean, also shaved like my legs and my armpits. I was going to do a self tanner, but honestly I don't really want to waste my self tanner right now, and I feel like my self tanner from last time is still kind of there, so I'm gonna skip that. But if you guys want to do a self tanner, kind of bronze yourself up a little bit, definitely feel free to do that. I am actually going to do a sheet mask right now, and the one that I'm going to use is this one. I feel like it'll give my skin a little nice glow. This is from Peach and Lily, and it is their original glow sheet mask, so it's kind of perfect for this video. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do some whitening strips too. So this is what I usually use to whiten my teeth. These are the Crest 3D whitening strips. I'm gonna apply them and leave them on for 30 minutes. This is like the ugliest face ever. This is so juicy. Do sheet masks ever like not fit your face correctly? I feel like this happens to me all the time. Like the nose thing goes up to here, it doesn't even cover my nose. I like taking like the extra juice down my neck too. And to really not waste the product, I take some in here, and then I just like use it on my hands and my arms. I'm gonna put it on my Laneige lip sleeping mask. I just roughly blow dried my hair. Good thing about my hair is that because I have like this balayage, foliage kind of thing, it kind of grows out really nicely. So I'm not too worried about it looking really crazy during this quarantine. But you know, if you have to dye your hair, try to do that yourself if you can. Maybe get like your parents or like your significant other to help you. It just feels so good. I'm gonna have my serum is the Naturally Serious Illumination Anti-Fatigue Power Serum. Some moisturizer. Okay, so I'm going to first tweeze my extra like little hairs over here on the bottom, but I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows because I just like see better that way with this shape. Okay, I try to do it the best I can. Still some baby hairs here and there, but I feel like overall it is a lot better. Okay, now it is up to the step that I am kind of nervous to do, which are my lashes. So right now, this eye still has like a good amount of lashes, but this one is starting to look real sparse, really sad. I am missing like lash extensions over here, like on the edges over here. So I'm gonna try to fill this one in a little bit and try to get this one to match. Obviously, I am not a lash technician. I don't recommend you to do this at home, but honestly, I am just struggling with these sad lashes. And I actually got this a little bit ago before I found my lash technician, Nina. Nina, if you are watching this, I'm so sorry. I'm kind of desperate over here and I am going to try to do the best that I can. So I got these before. It is the Ardell DIY lash extensions. It says it's up to a 2-week wear. It comes with a glue, a tool, and lashes that have like short, medium, and long. Probably just gonna use the short and the medium. I'm kind of nervous, but these kind of look really good, so hopefully they work out. Besides the tool that they give me, I also have this one, which is just like a pointy one, and then I have this one. I also have like the lash tape, so I can tape down my lower lashes. Okay, this is my little setup. Got the lashes here. I'm gonna use the tape. I have the glue, which I'm gonna put on the foil, and then my tools. Okay, I just taped this down. I'm gonna try to do this eye first. I'm just gonna brush through it first with the spoolie. Alright, I just kind of finished with the left one. I think it looks pretty decent. I find that with this tool, it works so much better than this like pointy one. And I just used the pointy one to separate the lashes. And then I used the slanted one to actually place the lashes on. I think it looks decent. I'm going to try to fill in this one as well to kind of match it. Okay, so this is basically what it looks like. I think it actually looks pretty good. I mean, they pretty much look the same, which is kind of what I was hoping for. Obviously, it isn't as full as it usually is when I get a refill, but I'm pretty happy with it, and I feel like this is really easy to use because they already come in so many different, like, I think they're called like 3D, 4Ds. It just makes it so much easier instead of like having to do it yourself. So I really recommend this because it comes with the little tool. It's already great. And then I would just recommend getting this. I got this from Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below. And it just makes it a lot easier to place it on your lashes. So I'm actually going to do my makeup now. I'm just gonna do a quick everyday makeup. Maybe do a little bit extra glam. Okay, I just finished my makeup look and I just quickly curled my hair. It's just like some loose waves, kind of liking this makeup look. I haven't put on eyeshadow in so long, so it's a little bit weird seeing myself with it, but it's very subtle. So now I am actually going to do my nails. Let's move you guys over here. I usually do my nails myself. I was going to do like some acrylics, but honestly, like, I do want to keep my nails short just because it's easier to wash my hands. I'm gonna keep it short, but I'm gonna file it. I have this nail filer that I got from like a Target, and then I have this, like, I don't know what this is called, a buffer. So it has like 4 sides. I don't have any other kind of nail polish besides just regular, but I'm gonna use this one. I thought this was such a pretty color. I usually do like neutral nails, but just want to brighten it up a little bit. This is Essie Rocky Rose. I have my top coat, which is the Essie Good to Go top coat. I don't have a base coat, and I really suggest you guys get a base coat if you have one, but I don't have one with me right now. These are my nails right now. They are really gross. I'm honestly kind of embarrassed to show you guys. They are looking really janky. So let's fix that. I'm pretty okay with the length that it's at right now, so I'm actually just going to file it. I honestly find doing nails pretty therapeutic, so I actually really like doing it.
I have to say to keep you by my side, how to start in a liquefy. Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay. Married one, loving two, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking, what if it's you and me? At the end, maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. Look at you, eyes as soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never knew. I see it now, that everything will be okay.
Okay, and I just changed as well. I am wearing this little halter top, a cardigan, and still sweatpants because I'm still gonna be home, still gotta be comfortable. Yeah, these are my nails. I think they turned out really nice. It's my first time using this color, but I think it's such a pretty color, especially for the springtime. Even though I am stuck at home, I think, I don't know, this kind of just brightens my mood a little bit. I hope that this video encourages you to do some self-care, pamper yourself a little bit, even though you are at home, and just have a little quarantine glow up. I hope you guys liked this video and you found some of the tips helpful, I guess. I'm gonna link everything down below, so if you're interested in the eyelash extensions, the nail polish, anything like that, just check the description box. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Married one, loving two, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking, what if